The Digital Hearing Amplifier HA-32 stands out with its advanced dual microphone technology, effectively reducing background noise and feedback to deliver clear, natural sound. With the 32-channel WDRC and DSP technology, this device offers precise sound adjustment across different frequencies, ensuring a high-resolution audio experience. The fast charging capability is remarkable, providing up to 6 hours of use from just 15 minutes of charging, with a total of 90 hours of battery life from the compact charging case. Its discreet in-ear design is both comfortable and nearly invisible, making it ideal for users who prioritize both function and aesthetics. The complete kit includes various ear tip sizes, a cleaning brush, and a straightforward instruction guide, making it user-friendly and tailored for a seamless transition. Designed specifically for seniors, these hearing aids provide a practical solution for mild to moderate hearing loss, enhancing the quality of everyday conversations and experiences.